Hello friends! Today we will talk again about the new Realme P2 Pro 5G smartphone, which has caught everyone's attention. Let's go! The Realme P2 Pro 5G smartphone boasts a sleek design, measuring 161.3 by 73.9 by 8.2 millimeters and weighing 180 grams. Its 6.7-inch Samsung curved AMOLED display offers a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 2000 nits brightness, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 5G chipset, the Realme P2 Pro delivers snappy performance. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, it handles multitasking and storage-intensive tasks effortlessly. Photography enthusiasts will love the 50-megapixel primary lens with optical image stabilization, ultra-wide camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens with a 112 field of view. The rear cameras support 4K video recording at 30 FPS and offer features like HDR and panorama. The 32-megapixel front camera also supports 4K video, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. So friends, you have liked this phone very much, which you can buy in 2024. We hope you liked the review of this video. Let us know about it mainly. Let's know more about the new phone. The Realme P2 Pro boasts a 5200 mAh battery, ensuring all-day power. With 80-watt wired charging, reach 50% in just 19 minutes and full charge in 49 minutes. This smartphone includes IP65 dust and water resistance, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and stereo speakers. While it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, it offers a sleek design. Enjoy 24-bit high-res audio via USB Type-C. Available in parrot green and eagle gray, the Realme P2 Pro is set to release in September 2024. Keep an eye out for this ultimate smartphone experience. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe.